Hi, so in this video I shall be covering the difference between the argc and argv. So this is just a moment, let me clear the bash. Yeah, so basically argc and argv, all this you might be seeing in the C program, so I'm just going to cover that. So what I will be doing is, I will be writing the C++ code, and in that, we can use the some of the C functions like printf and the main function with the argc and argv vector with string values. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll start. Sorry, I'm going to just save it as arg3.cpp. Okay, and I will be writing this is, and then so I'm just going to delete this main function. Instead I'm going to use this, which is used in C program. Now I will be doing I'll be just printing those argc commands. Okay, so let's start. Argc, yeah. Okay, so let's print the values. So yeah, this is G++ and then hyphen std equals to C++ 17, because I'm using the 2017 version of the C++, and then the argument 2.cpp. So let me change the name, and then let me change this. Okay, so done. Yeah, so then arg3. Okay, so currently I have used only one argument, okay, the command. So let me add a few more. 1 2, so now it's 3. Okay, so similarly I can add up to any number and it will continue adding 4. Okay, say for example 56, so 5. Okay, so argument 3 dot slash argument 3, then 1, then 2, 4, 56. These are the 5 commands we have given, so that is why we are finding it as argument c equals to 5. Now I'm going to do more. I'm going to print all those, okay, individually. So let's do one thing. Let's write this. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So I equals to 0, 0. Then I C I plus plus I. Okay, and now I'm going to do let me just, yeah, instead what I can do is I can use printf. Arg percentage d, and then equals to, so first is I comma arg v, which is I. Okay, so that's it. So now we can print the command, I mean respective commands. Okay, so let's see. First run it. Okay, so these are the individual, you can see the argc, this is the number of commands, and these are the individual values. Okay, like this, so from here on up to this. So now I'm going to sum it up. So So for example, I enter a few integer number, okay, and so I just want to sum it all. Okay, so then what I have to do is, for that I have to use an additional thing, which is I have to put a loop, and let's say is, if argc is greater than 1, then okay, and then also sum equals to 0. You just have to initialize and declare, and then what you have to do is sum plus equals to, you have to vi, okay, then write sum. So this is it, and why it is error. Okay, I'm sorry. So what you have to do is you have to just convert it. Okay, convert this into a number. Okay, so the initial version, this is a vector which contains, strings. Okay, vector with strings, basically an array with strings. Okay, so this is the string type, okay, in C. So you have to convert this, in order to add it, in order to do this summation, you have to convert all the strings into a number. Okay, so that's what this a to I is doing, basically string to integer. Okay, so then you have to do is just compile it. So that's it. So this is 63. Okay, so let me add a few, let's say minus 10. Here it is. Okay, so that is so this is what everyone should know, that what exactly argc and argv means. Okay, so argc is the number of commands. Okay, so like here it is 4. Okay, like here it is 5, so like this. Okay, and the argv is the array with all the strings. Okay, so that's it. So thank you for listening. See you in the next video.